It started like a raindrop, raindrop, but it's already